Hello everybody. Okay, so today we bought the Selphy printer from Canon, the CP1300. It was a good
printer.
wireless printer. Apparently it has air print and Wi-Fi printing, so that's pretty cool. And it came together with the film. So yeah, it's actually the ink plus yeah, that you can see it's the ink cartridges plus 108 sheets of photo paper. Yeah, and this if you buy it outside by itself, I think it costs $39.90, right? Yeah, and yeah, we got this at a good deal for $199. So let's see what's inside the box. Here you go. Oh, okay, standard manual. Ain't nobody needs that.
Yes, more manual.
What's this? Oh, manual.
Oh, okay. This one,
What's this?
where you put the
This
photo
is
sheets.
Oh, okay. This is the postcard holder thing. I think this is the loader.
Yep. Then you got the device itself.
And we got the printer. Oh, everybody loves bubble wrap. Oh my god, I need to press it out. So great.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so that's how it looks like.
Okay. This one is like
Okay,
movable.
yeah, the screen actually, you can lift up the screen, so that's pretty cool. And I'll just take out what's left in the box. And this is the
Charger.
Yeah, that's the charger. Wow, that's a really big ass charger. I didn't expect the charger to be that big.
Okay.
Yeah, so let's take a look at the printer. It's somehow you need to open it from here. There's a USB port.
I think you open here.
Yeah, power. What does this say? Battery release, okay. And ink cassette. Oh, so this is where you load the film. I think so.
No, it's in front. Should be in front now.
Yeah, I'm not sure. We gotta try it out. Yeah, so that's all you get in this Canon Selphy printer. We actually saw it at the IT show. I believe it's Comex. So we actually tried to print a picture out, and yeah, look at the quality. It's actually
Pretty good.
pretty good. You can see it's actually rather clear. You know, look at it. Wow. Yeah, pretty impressed. So yeah, we're gonna try give it a go, and yeah, I'm pretty sure it'll turn out pretty great. Can consider buying this. Can recommend this. It's good. Okay.
Okay.
Yay! Okay, so to continue from just now, we took out the label. So we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 packs of photo paper. I believe when we were told to load this, you're supposed to load the gloss side up.
Yes.
Yeah, and there's even like dotted lines to tear out from the corners. And in that also provides the ink. So I think there's 2 different packs of ink. Yeah, so we're gonna try load it up and get it started. Okay, so we got this printer started. Yeah, so this is how you load the paper. It's actually quite easy. And yeah, you can see that the menu is ready. So we should try this. Oh, it's not touchscreen. Oh my god. Okay. What am I doing? Okay, first you need to pair it up, I guess. Okay. Okay, so we finally set up the printer to connect to my access point. And yeah, okay, so before you actually print something, they have an app that you can, over here, you can actually download their Canon app. You can print pictures from here. Or another way is you can just select a picture from your gallery. As you can see, it's photos. And yeah, you can just go to share, and just scroll to print. From here you select printer, and you can see that my printer is already there. So yeah, you can see, and then you just press print. I believe that's all right. So let's see whether does this print anything. Yeah, you can see that the printer is processing the paper. Okay. So yep, yes. So the printer works in the way that it moves the paper in and then out and then in and then out, applying a different layer of color each time before the finished product is out. As you can see. Okay, so let's wait and see. So first is the yellow, then the red, and then I guess the final one is the blue, as you can see on the screen. Yeah. It turns out, look at that. Oh no, there's actually one more. Oh, the white. I see. So that makes it like so much nicer.
I think they have 4 layers this time.
I think all the time they have 4 layers, we just didn't notice. So right now you can see the results. Okay, you can see. So the picture looks like that, and the result under white light looks like that. Pretty good, ain't it? The quality is not super clear, but it's actually very, very clear for a portable Wi-Fi printer. So yeah, it's really easy to set up, and I think it's great for basically anybody who likes to just print their own pictures from their mobile phone. So yeah, thumbs up for that.